Oh, hello. Thank you for joining me for Veg with Lisa Live. I am Lisa. This is going to be so obviously live, and I'm going to talk about this beautiful, sexy veg. But before I get started, please type in the comments, say hi, let me know that you're here and that you can see me and that you can hear me. So, what is this beauty? Who knows? I'll tell you. It's a jicama. Pronounced jicama, spelled Jicama, like jicama. What is it? Well, it's an absolutely delicious, crunchy vegetable. Why in the world would you want to know about this beautiful jicama? Hi, Rob. Thanks. First and foremost, as always, because these babies are absolutely delicious. Second of all, because they're so easy to make. Notice I didn't say cook. I hear a lot of, oh, I don't have time, I can't cook, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to show you how simple this is to prep. And thirdly, because it's absolutely delicious. Oops, it's absolutely Ellie, where have you been, Ellie? You got me all distracted about the third reason is because it is super good for you, in case any of you care about that. And I hope you do. Oh. Ellie, really, I have missed you. Okay, so I talk to a lot of people and I'm getting ready to run my fall reset. By the way, the wait list is open. I'll pop it in the comments. What I hear a lot is, oh, I'm so addicted to crunchy, salty foods. Well, yeah, no kidding. Duh, do you know why? Because those crunchy, salty things that come in a bag, like potato chips, who doesn't love potato chips? They are engineered to addict you. When Lay's said, you can't eat just one, they weren't kidding because they got a whole bunch of mean men back in some little room engineering their potato chips so that you can't eat just one. First, there's the salt, which hits you right up front. Salt is a flavor enhancer. And so you're like, and then there's the fat. It's usually an inflammatory oil. The fat is a flavor carrier. So you're like, hits you up front. And then the flavor carries it to your tummy and to your brain. And then you want more and you can't eat just one. So what is a girl to do, or a guy or a gal or a they? What are we to do when we want that crunchy, salty, but we still want to be able to get into our party clothes? Well, I'm telling you, the answer lies right here in this beautiful baby, the jicama. So let us get right down here. Oh my gosh, Ellie, where's your sister? I want to get right down here and show you, for those of you who say you can't cook, how easy this beauty is to peel or to prep. Look at this. All I'm doing is peeling this. I got this at the farmer's market. So you may wonder where you can get one of these for yourself. I tell you, they're in a lot of regular farmer's market or regular grocery stores. You might also find them in a Latin supermarket because it's a Mexican tuber, a Mexican root. And you also might find it in an Asian supermarket. I got this at my local farmer's market, the River Arts District Farmer's Market here in Asheville. Oh my gosh, did you hear that crunch? Ha ha ha. So check your local farmer's market if you don't have it in your regular grocery store. Okay, check this out. So I'm just peeling away this very thin, papery brown skin. You could probably eat it, especially if it's organic and you washed it. Aha. So what's the nutrition in this crunchy, salty? I'm going to make it salty here in a minute, but first I want you to hear this crunch. Did you hear that? Not only is it crunchy, and we're going to make it salty, but it's juicy too. That's because it's got a ton of water, which is fantastic. It's got a ton of fiber, which is one of the things that makes it so good for you. And it's prebiotic fiber. You've heard a lot of buzz about probiotics. Well, prebiotics are what come before the probiotics, right? And that is basically, we could think of it as the type of food that your probiotics eat so that you have a healthy gut microbiome. Why do you want a healthy gut microbiome? For a healthy immune system and healthy mental health. Okay, now how are we going? Oh, I got a jicama on me. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's lovely. So how are we going to make this maybe even more tasty than it already is? I think they're absolutely delicious just on their own. By the way, one of these babies, like a medium, I would call this a large, has about 1/4 to 1/5 of your daily Fiber requirements. Okay, here comes the salt. You told me you like crunchy, salty, just a little sprinkle. I like this pink Himalayan sea salt. Yep. Maybe a teeny weeny little drizzle of lime. Actually, I probably should have done the lime first. And then, if you want to get things really spicy, how about a little chili pepper? Oh, this is just ancho, so it's not too spicy. Let's check this out. Let me turn you back up here. I want you to see and I want you to hear this. Wah! Timber crunch. Mm. Oh my gosh. It's incredible. Jicama for the win. Crunchy, salty if you like, a little spicy if you like. Easy, delicious. Oh, Ellie, delish with hummus. Oh my gosh, what a fantastic idea. What about guacamole? I love it. Delicious with hummus, delicious with guacamole. Easy peasy, good for you. Delicious, crunchy, salty, juicy in my belly. Thank you for joining me for Virtual Lisa Live. Now go get your crunch on.